Hi everyone, here we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. So as you can, as I will show you, the tablet is locked with the Google account, and we can't finish the setup. So this is the factory research protection from Google, as you can see. I will show you in this video how to unlock it using a free software. In our case, we will use the FRP King tool. And let's go. So first thing you need to do is to connect your tablet to the computer. Okay. Next, you will open the tool, and we will open a browser. I will show you this. So select open YouTube and click on bypass FRP. So let's go back to the tablet. As you can see, we have a link here. So YouTube isn't working. So let's try something else. Let's try open a browser. Let's try open the internet browser, disconnect the tablet and reconnect, and let's open a browser. Good. So let's see. Perfect. So welcome to Galaxy Store. Continue. Good. So what you can do here, maybe share. Okay, no problem. Like, let's click on updates. And let's see if we can open the Samsung Internet browser after the update. Okay, perfect. So let's open. Good. Click on continue. And now you can accept. Okay, so now let's go to this link, bit.ly/tech tips in capital letters FRP. Good. So let's open settings now. Good. Let's check the Android version of this tablet. Software informations. So Android 7. Okay. Good. So let's go back, and we need to download this application. Okay, good. And we need to go back to settings, go to security, allow unknown sources. Go to device administrators and enable this. Good. Now go to apps, show system apps, and let's search for the Google Play service and disable this one. And let's look for Google Account Manager. Perfect. And let's disable this. Good. Now go to let's search for files or for download. Okay, let's go back and let's open downloads and let's install the remote APK. Perfect, it's done. Now go back to settings and go to accounts again, add accounts, and let's select Google. Perfect. So now enter your email address, check, tips, good, and enter the password. Good, click on next. Good, so click on I agree. Perfect, so now go back to security. Other security settings, device administrators, and enable this. And go back to apps. Show system app. And let's enable again the Google Play service. and let's enable the Google Account Manager. Good. So now just to go back. Perfect. And let's see what is happening here. Perfect. As you can see, it is not asking us for the Google account anymore. So let's finish the setup. Skip. Finish. Click on later. So perfect. As you can see, we have access to the tablet now. And if you want to reset your tablet, so you will not have some crashes like this due to the unlocking files, go to reset and do a factory reset, a complete factory reset, and your tablet will be totally unlocked without any unlocking files. So thank you all for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, please let us know in the comment section. You can also support us by liking and subscribing. See you in the next one.